Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. Hey, before the big storm came through here, Hurricane Helene, and wiped out a portion of western North Carolina, including two major highways, a company sent me this folding camping chair. And now that we've cleaned out of this mess, I wanted to show it to you. So let's check it out. First, I'm gonna open it with my handy dandy box cutter. I'm sure you can get these on Amazon. I keep this right here. I use it every day. It's awesome. But you're not interested in this. You're interested in the folding camp chair. A lot's changed since that hurricane came through. We lost tens of thousands of tall oak trees, pine trees, anything that was tall with a lot of green at the top. The tallest trees and the oldest trees, they all got knocked down at the root. It's amazing. It's just unbelievable how many trees are down. So check this out. Look at that. Now this is a nice bag here. I don't know if you can see it. It's this thick. It's not leather. It's kind of like the what they make dry sacks out of for rafting and stuff. That's the type of material this is. Has a handle on it and has a really nice zipper. Now this isn't one of those cheap camping chair, folding camp chairs. This is a really good one. So let's do a little exploring here before I read the directions, but we'll get to that. This is a nice case. I mean, that's worth something. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. Check it out. This is what we got right here. It's got a Velcro strap that keeps it all handy. Oh, this is a nice chair. It's even got rubber feet. Okay, so here we have the chair. Let's go ahead and do that. We got the little strap off there. Let's see how this thing unfolds. Let's see how easy it is. A little cardboard there. Okay, let me see here. Okay. All right. Well, I've got this. Now it's time to get out the directions and see what I'm supposed to do here. All right. There we go. We do the long arms in the back first. They extend twice. So they have two pins. So there we go. See, you got two pins right here. This is on the back. On the front, we're gonna do that. So always do the long arms first on this. And there you go. Check that out. What do you think? Pretty neat. Let's take a little view ski of that. There we go. Sorry the sun is so bright. It's Halloween. That's pretty neat. It's pretty good size too. I'll do a little demo here. All of this is, I don't know if it's composite, if it's steel or aluminum. Feels like it's aluminum and steel. I wouldn't, unless you're a strong person, this wouldn't be like a backpacking chair. I mean, I could take it. I'm not worried about it. I mean, it's, you know, a couple of pounds, but I know how people get these days. They try to go hiking with under 15 pounds or less. So let's take this over here. Let's get some better coverage of this. So there's the chair. Look at that. Sits up higher in the back. Like I said, unfold those arms first and lock in those pins. It's really, really good construction. I like this. I wish they'd sent me a couple. Keep in the car. It's got rubber feet. I mean, you're definitely getting what you pay for with this. This is fantastic. Wow, pretty cool. So let me get the tripod and I will show you what it's like to sit in it. All right, let's do a little test here. Let's sit down in this chair. Look at that. What do you think? That's pretty. Let's go side to side, front to backs. Very stable. Feels very strong. And very comfortable. I like this. This is a great chair. I can sit here all day. Pretty cool. I really appreciate this chair. This company reached out to me and sent it to me. Told them I would do a review on it, a truthful review. And yeah, this is nice. I like this. I'm going to keep this in the back of the truck. This is a great chair. And it seems to be sewn really well. The part that I'm sitting in is really nice. Oh, look, it's even got a place here for your cell phone. Doesn't have, or a drink, I guess. You can put a drink. Oh, yeah. It's big enough. You can put a water bottle or a 12-ounce can or your tall boy, whatever you're into. The Schlitz malt liquor. Put a 24 in here, maybe? Nah. No. More like a 12-ounce can of Coke or whatever your favorite beverage is, or a bottle of water, or your cell phone. This is awesome. I like this. And it's nice that it comes with rubber feet because it's not going to slide, depending on your surface. Like if you set it on a rock or whatever by a creek. So it's the NJZ. Really nice construction. I mean, it's nice. This is like metal, aluminum, maybe aluminum and steel. Yeah, I think that's what it is. These back arms are steel. And these are kind of thicker aluminum. And it's got rubber feet. It's just great. It's just a great chair. It's really nice. And they come in different colors. So check these out. I'll put a link under the video in the description. So yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is really good. This is nice. So yeah, I'll be using this all the time now. And cool. He seems to like it too. But that's not what it's for. This is for me. This chair is awesome. Now let's see if folding it up is just as easy. This should be a no-brainer here. There we go. Very well made, like very precision. There's no looseness to this. Everything like very precise in the way it folds up. Look at that. That was easy. That was easy. Remember that? Okay. Look at that. That's it. Easy. Here it is. We're going to put it in this really nice case here. Like I said, this case is made from the same material that they use to make those dry sacks for rafting and stuff to keep your gear dry. So, you know, the case alone's awesome. But the seat is great. This is like the Cadillac version of a camping chair. Really happy with that. And let me just do a little close-up here, in case you didn't see it, of the way they stitch things on here. everything is stitched like, so as you can see here, everything, let me get some focus in here, everything is double stitched. So here, now you can see the stitching, and everything is double stitched. Lots of good stitching here, as you can see. Has some heavy duty edges on it. You know, this is made so well. It's got that nice pocket on it. So there you go. Yeah, nice chair. Nice chair. I'd recommend this. I'd recommend this to anyone. And like I said, I'm putting a link under the video in the description if you want to check it out. Do your research. You know, there's a lot of inexpensive chairs out there, super lightweight for camping, and I've had those. They're a little wobbly and don't last that long. This one will definitely last. This thing's made really well. All right. Well, I hope you liked that video on the camping chair. I was really surprised. It's great. The quality is awesome. So please check it out. Like I said, there's links under the video in the description. If you would, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, ask me some questions about it. I've had a lot of camping chairs. I've got these right here. These are actually like the old style, you know, picnic chairs. They're folded in with a lattice type thing. And, you know, those are so you don't have to squat up off the ground, but you can't really take those many places. They're heavy. So, you know, give me a comment. Let me know what you think. And maybe this company will send me some more stuff I can review. This is really good stuff. So I will see you next time. See ya.